This is ARLO Pro 3 bundle, and today I'll show how you can record a video clip from this camera. So to start, you will need to launch the ARLO Secure app, then go into the devices, open the camera you would like to record the videos from. Once you are ready to start your video recording, tap at this button here. Let's wait for everything to load on my end. Now just tap at this icon here. Once this button becomes red, that means that the video recording has been started. Once you want to end it, just tap at the very same button here. And as you can see, the manual video recording has been performed successfully. Now, if needed, you can open the gallery and watch it. Once this button becomes red, that means that the video recording has been. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.